Final call for passenger Finn. Please proceed to gate 3 for immediate boarding.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
I almost missed my flight back home. Let me explain. So, I started my day with breakfast at the hotel, and since I had free time to kill before my flight, dumaan muna ako sa bread and butter to grab coffee and pastries. Pagbalik ng hotel, nag-check out na ako and nag-grab papunta sa airport. Normal pa lahat so far, naka-check-in ako ng luggage, security check, immigration, but then, my flight got delayed for an hour kasi may bagyo daw. It got delayed again, and again, tapos nag-email yung AirAsia sa akin. Since I availed travel insurance and 3 hours delayed na yung flight ko, they gave me VIP access sa airport lounge. At that point, di pa ako kumakain ng lunch so tinikman ko na yung buffet nila dito. Then, my flight got delayed again and again. Every 5 minutes, tinitignan ko yung status ng flight sa TV dito. Delayed lang yung nakalagay. So sabi ko, mag-edit muna ako, baka bukas na kami makalipad kasi malakas na yung bagyo.
Final call for passenger Finn. Please proceed to gate 3 for immediate boarding.
Hala ka siya, hindi ko narinig yung announcement kasi naka-airpods ako. So, tumakbo ko sa front desk ng lounge to ask if boarding na ba yung plane ko. Pero hindi tayo magpapaiwan sa eroplano. Syempre, tinakbo ko na yun. Di na ako nakapag-film kasi nagpapanik na talaga ako niyan. So, ayun na nga. Pagdating ko sa gate, buti na lang may isa pang pamilya kong kasabay. So, kahit ako yung last passenger to board, may kasama pa naman ako. So, pampaluwag loob lang. Awa na lang talaga ng Diyos at nakasampa pa ako sa eroplanong yun. So, yung lesson talaga dito ay una, always get travel insurance kapag bumabiyahe kayo abroad. Mas mabuti na yung handa tayo sa kung ano man yung mangyari. Whether delayed or canceled flights, naiwan yung bagahe or accidents, at least insured tayo, di ba? Pangalawang lesson, huwag magsusuot ng noise cancelling earphones kapag malapit na yung flight. Follow kayo for part 2 kasi mahaba pa yung horror story na to.